That addiction, that poverty mindset, that spirit of rejection. Have you ever felt like you're fighting a battle that began generations before you were even born? You keep breaking the cycle, but the pattern keeps repeating. This isn't a coincidence. You are facing a generational curse, but listen carefully. Your bloodline does not get to write the final chapter of your life. As a chosen one, you have been given the divine authority to break every chain. And today, we are going to pray the deliverance prayer that shatters them for good. For too long, families have been trapped in cycles of dysfunction, and it's not just about individual failures. It's about patterns that have been passed down through generations. These curses can manifest as addiction, poverty, relationship issues, and more. But here's the good news. You don't have to continue in that pattern. You have the power to break free. The Bible tells us that a curse without a cause shall not rest. So if you're feeling stuck, it's time to identify the root cause and take action. This isn't just about personal struggle, it's about spiritual warfare. You're not fighting against flesh and blood, but against principalities and powers. As someone who's chosen to break these cycles, you're already taking a huge step towards freedom. You have to recognize that you're not alone in this fight. There are people all around you who are fighting similar battles, but together we can overcome. Let's kick off this prayer session with enthusiasm, inviting you to join me in a collective moment of faith and intention. I want you to take a deep breath, feel the presence of God around you, and get ready to pray with power. We're not just praying for ourselves, we're praying for our families, our communities, and our future. The power of unity in prayer is incredible. When we come together in faith, amazing things can happen. So let's lift each other up and seek God's deliverance together. I want you to repeat after me. Lord, I come before you today, seeking deliverance from every generational curse. Many of you have experienced the pain of generational curses firsthand. I've heard testimonies of people who've struggled with addiction, just like their parents and grandparents, but they found freedom through prayer and faith. One woman shared with me how she was trapped in a cycle of poverty, but after praying for deliverance, she started a successful business. These stories give us hope and remind us that we're not alone. We're part of a larger community that's fighting for freedom. I want to share another testimony with you. A man in our community was struggling with a spirit of rejection, but after praying for deliverance, he found acceptance and love. It's amazing to see how deliverance prayer can change lives, but sometimes it can be challenging. You might face distractions or emotional struggles during prayer. That's okay. These are common in spiritual journeys. The important thing is to persevere and keep seeking God's deliverance. Difficulties are a normal part of the process. Don't give up if you don't feel immediate results. Keep praying and trust that God is working. I've seen people struggle with feelings of doubt or uncertainty, but they found breakthrough through persistent prayer. As we reach the peak moment of our prayer, I want you to feel the intensity and significance of this moment. This is where we experience a breakthrough or revelation. It's where we find the strength to overcome our struggles and break free from generational curses. In this moment, I want you to lift your voice and declare your freedom. Say it with me. I am free from every generational curse. I am delivered from every spirit of addiction, poverty, and rejection. Feel the power of God working in your life. The outcomes of this prayer are incredible. People have reported feeling a sense of peace and freedom they've never known before. They've shared stories of relationships restored, addictions broken, and finances transformed. As we conclude this prayer session, I want to hear from you. Share your experiences in the comments below. If this message has blessed you, I want you to subscribe for more empowering content. And if you're looking for continued support, check out our next video on overcoming spiritual warfare. Your journey of healing and breaking free from generational curses doesn't end here. It's just beginning. Keep seeking God's deliverance and know that you're not alone.